Hi. So I decided to do my evaluation on Padlet. Padlet is something that I have actually used in my classes, not to the extent to what I could use them. I am starting to see that there is a whole lot more um, that can be done with Padlet in my classes. So, first, um, I'm going to show you how Padlet works. Um, you can join, if you join for free, you only get 3 Padlets at a time. I do pay the lower subscription so I can have up to 20 Padlets at a time, which is usually more than enough for me. So to start, you click Make a Padlet. You've got all these different layouts that you can choose from depending upon what will work best for you. I'm going to do a shelf for this one, and it will become evident why when I do this. Now, it usually starts up, it comes up like this. It's got a name already, but this comes up and you can name it. I am naming this construction zone groups. Um, it is for them to sign up for your groups for, oops, not drops, groups for building project. I'm not going to do an icon. You can change the wallpaper if you want. I'm not going to do that because that'll just take more time. Um, you can decide where your new posts go, if they're going to be first or last. I usually like the newer ones to be on top. Um, Allow viewers to comment on posts. I'm not going to have them comment on these because this is basically a sign up Padlet. And so that's it for that. And now we can start posting. What I'm going to do is make my sections here. And that's all I'm going to do for right now, just to make it so it doesn't take too long. Now, in order for me to share it over on my canvas, I'm going to come down to, not here, sorry, share. I want share. I'm going to use the embed. And then over here in my work area where I try to figure out how I want things to look before I move it into an actual class, I have a discussion started. This is going to be for my 8th grade um, technology class. That's always my first semester during a school year. And during that, we have a building project. Now, in the past, we've done spaghetti bridges, but I've decided to give them a choice. There's 4 different types of buildings they can do. They get a choice, and they're also going to use this Padlet to sign up. However, I'm going to make them create their own Padlets as part of this assignment where they can do their collaboration and figure out their building plan and um, discuss ideas on maybe making things better if things are not working. Again, I'm just embedding the Padlet into here for them to sign up in their groups. And then after they have their groups, they're going to go to Padlet themselves. You can sign on to Padlet with the Google single sign in. I will have them do that. They can use the free version because they're only going to need 1 Padlet. Maybe as we work through the class, they might need 2 or 3, but they're not going to need more than 3. So that's how this works. And that's how I'm hoping to incorporate it into the learner using it as well as me using it with them. I am going to require them to add me as a member to their Padlets so I can help with discussions and maybe ask questions they're not thinking of. But yeah, that's Padlet.